Hidden for decades, this forgotten aircraft stands among nature's silence. A skilled team arrives to restore the forgotten aircraft hidden in nature. Before rebuilding begins, the jungle must release its forgotten treasure. Years of jungle growth slowly reveal the aircraft's original shape. The first deep cleaning step begins after years of abandonment.
Powerful cleaning removes decades of dirt from forgotten metal surfaces. Careful restoration reveals the strength beneath years of corrosion. Every damaged section is studied before rebuilding the aircraft begins. A forgotten aircraft begins its long journey from decay toward transformation. The real restoration begins as decades of grime finally surrender to effort. Powerful streams uncover forgotten metal hidden beneath years of relentless decay. Years of neglect slowly disappear as determined hands reveal forgotten craftsmanship. With grime removed, hidden structural damage finally comes into clear view. Every rusted layer removed brings the forgotten aircraft closer to survival. With inspection complete, damaged structure finally receives its first careful repairs. Every damaged panel removed uncovers the aircraft's hidden structural story beneath. Strong foundations ensure this forgotten aircraft can stand proudly once again. Inside the silent cabin, decades of abandonment slowly give way to hope. With the cabin cleared, careful rebuilding finally starts from the inside. Fresh structural panels begin replacing metal that nature slowly reclaimed forever. The aircraft slowly welcomes daylight through carefully rebuilt window frames once again. The weakened aircraft shell gains protection against the harsh jungle elements ahead.
Sealing every opening protects the aircraft from decades of future damage. Hidden systems return first, long before luxury can ever appear inside. The aircraft slowly becomes weatherproof, protecting every future space inside safely. Months of careful engineering prepare the aircraft for its remarkable transformation ahead. With the structure complete, thoughtful design finally begins shaping every interior space. Strong flooring transforms empty space into the foundation of a future home. The aircraft's empty shell slowly evolves into elegant, livable interior spaces. Invisible comfort systems quietly prepare the cabin for future luxury living.
Carefully crafted wood begins adding warmth while preserving the aircraft's unique identity.
This custom craftsmanship slowly transforms empty walls into purposeful living spaces. Natural materials finally begin giving the aircraft warmth, balance, and lasting character. The heart of the future villa quietly begins taking shape with precision. The future bedroom begins emerging, while the aircraft's soul remains beautifully preserved. Essential systems quietly prepare comfort before beauty takes its rightful place. Natural finishes finally begin, rewarding months of careful restoration and craftsmanship. Handcrafted stone details quietly elevate the cabin while preserving authentic construction progress. Custom furniture takes shape, perfectly following the aircraft's timeless curved interior.
Carefully concealed lighting prepares atmosphere without revealing tomorrow's final luxury. Months of precision finally begin revealing the villa's true personality inside.
Every handcrafted detail transforms functionality into timeless architectural elegance.
The bedroom finally becomes a peaceful retreat, crafted with patience and precision. Comfort quietly emerges as every handcrafted detail finds its perfect place. Final details arrive slowly, turning construction into a remarkable hidden sanctuary.
After years abandoned, the forgotten aircraft stands ready for a new beginning. The forgotten aircraft finally receives the finishing touches of its luxury rebirth. A forgotten cabin becomes a peaceful retreat surrounded by endless jungle. The abandoned aircraft kitchen becomes a breathtaking jungle dining experience. Inside the forgotten aircraft, a private sanctuary finally comes alive. The hidden jungle aircraft villa finally reveals its extraordinary transformation to the world. Once forgotten and abandoned, the aircraft now stands as a private jungle masterpiece. Inside the forgotten aircraft, every detail now tells a story of transformation.
A forgotten aircraft becomes a glowing sanctuary hidden beneath the jungle stars. From forgotten ruins to a hidden paradise, the aircraft's journey is complete.
A forgotten aircraft now stands forever as nature's ultimate luxury escape.